we kind of got our sensei character. I'm hoping that Denji and Power level up massively from this so that a incident like episode 8 doesn't happen again. Serby's theory regarding the future demon does sound like a really interesting idea. I would love that to be the case, because then I'd get to see something that I've never seen before, pretty much, in an anime.
My explanation made more sense the second time around.
The one anime that you use an example, I haven't seen yet, so... But alright guys, this is a full-length reaction, so make sure to open up your own copy of the episode and sync it up with a timer that will appear within Serby's hands at the end of my countdown. Without further ado, let's get right into episode 10 of Chainsaw Man. In 3, 2, 1, play. Wait, is it this episode 11? I don't know anymore. Let's go.
Yeah, we should be on episode 11. There's only 2 left. Oh yeah, that's where we left off. Just staring him down.
His hair is so pointy in the back. Alright, what does this look like? Oh, it's the dancing one in the OP.
That's how I knew that there
Mirai
was him.
Psycho!
Someone put a short on a YouTube, just called it Future Devil Dancing, and it showed the thumbnail of him. I'm like, oh,
Wow.
oh, I guess you're the Future Devil then.
It does make sense that the future devil might be like drunk on the future. I wonder why he's dancing in the OP though. What's up with that?
He just seems like he's having a great time.
Yeah, I guess so. Yeah, what? What are you doing? Excuse me?
Stick your head into my gut. Oh.
He's just like, oh shit.
It's like, I don't. Oh. How do they have the Future Devil just kind of in a prison cell down here? Why does this guy remind me of Chota from Dorohedoro?
Oh, what do you see? Oh, he's gonna... Of course he's gonna gain anime powers in his right eye. Oh, damn! Hell yeah, Aki.
Is this the same eye that Himeno had taken?
I can't remember which side, but I think it would be fitting if it was the same side.
Strange just beating the shit out of them.
Yeah. But that was unexpected. It's just like, you know what? Your death's fucking cool, man. That's all I want to see. Oh.
Do I finally get Fish Boy?
Oh, Shock Boy. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Basically, if you fail, then it gets scrapped. Hell yeah, brother. He's not amused. I'd probably be too by that point. He's probably taught so many people that have just died immediately.
Mm-hmm.
Yes,
Mm-hmm.
obviously. Oh, yeah, sure.
X to doubt. X to doubt.
I mean, it could be for humanity's sake. It's just Makima on top.
I doubt.
Oh man, I love seeing those two interact. Actually, there's one guy who takes no BS, and another that only gives BS.
And the,
exactly.
Oh.
But she's nowhere in Japan. Is it only specifically in Japan? Or anywhere in the world? I don't know. Still need to learn Makima's powers.
But we still don't know how she could know who was there and exactly who needed, like, their names and everything.
Yeah. If memory serves, her ability was very specific, that she had to be on top of the highest temple or something with a bunch of sacrifices.
And she said the names of all the specific guys that needed to die.
Yeah. I mean, that is how it works. In most zombie movies.
We already killed the zombie devil, though.
We did, but there's some left, it looks like. If you remember when the zombie devil died, the other ones were still there, and Denji just cut them all up.
Yeah.
There isn't just like a hive mind that's controlling them anymore. That seems to be the case for most people. Thanks. Being self-aware, okay. No. can't you just play into the conversation? God. Oof. Hmm.
How does he get his hair so straight?
One of the greatest mysteries in Chainsaw Man. Yeah, you can't help but root for Aki. I'm pretty sure he knows this already. I hope he does. Or maybe he doesn't think that Makima's crazy for whatever reason.
I mean,
I
he's
thought that was
also head
obvious.
over heels for her.
Yeah. The good stuff? Oh, are these the gun devil guys? Or are you guys some sort of like Yakuza? Ah, I see. That's it? 20,000 yen? Why money? Oh. You mean... Oh, I hope you guys don't think about shooting Makima here, because that doesn't work. Makima herself might be the necessary evil.
No.
uh Damn, the disrespect. Denji, power. Oh, shit. Their eyes? Oh my... What? How? Ooh.
You return them safely. Okay.
Just put them back into their heads? You really don't want to do that.
Her eyes look
Oh,
like
what?
targets. Like on a haystack.
Just by looking at her? What the...
Because just be fucking evil. That's all there is to it.
Okay, this is the attack on the sword devil. Good luck with that. Dude got cut in half and he's still okay. Nobody saw Kobeni pop off except the enemy.
I still
Yeah,
don't
sure.
know what's up with Kobeni.
Yeah. And what's her contract? Or is that just her pure physical ability? I can still see it being like she's part of a team of assassins. Or family of assassins is what I meant to say.
It's the family business.
You're not going in? All right.
He just seems dead.
Imagine if he is. He's just a walking corpse.
Like, his face doesn't emote, his voice doesn't emote. He's just the definition of monotone.
I could play this character.
Ha! He's here, finally!
Oh, he dives into the ground?
He can swim through anything. It's
what
beautiful. I love him.
Nice. Oi. One of your own guys? Oh, Govena! Oh my god, it's SCP-049! Violence fiend.
He's just punching. Violence. Okay.
Alright. Okay, the girl with the... Yeah, the line on her face. Whoa! Oh, the spider devil.
I don't like it. It's gross and I don't like it. Go back to Fishboy, please.
Yo, monster girls, let's go.
Oh, is this the angel boy?
Oh, is this the angel boy?
Oh, he eats it. Gross.
Oh.
I don't know why it's like gross after
Angel
Bea's just
devil.
been sitting there eating it all too.
Physical contact means your life gets drained away. Huh. What? It's not like his life is long. Nice. They are the main targets.
I feel like there's three types of
okay.
characters in Chainsaw Man. There's the cold, tired, and jaded characters. There's the stupid and just hyper having fun characters. And then there's Makima.
I mean, that's a simplification, but I can see what you're talking about. All right. Can we slice? Oh, isn't that what happened to the other guy with Makima?
Mm-hmm.
Well, she did get their names, yeah. They're dying in a much different way than
Yeah.
the previous people, but
Maybe because she's not at the shrine, she can't crush him.
perhaps maybe it's not as powerful, but she can still do something to them, aka kill them.
But is it really less powerful if they still die? They just don't die as dramatically.
Yeah, I guess it's not as cool because she doesn't get to play with their lives in her hands. It just kind of makes them bleed. I don't know what from though.
So you're gonna get like a Luffy style boss fight now where you can see a few seconds into the future?
We'll have to see. Ghost! What?
Yeah, I'm not surprised.
Oh,
It ran away and escaped at the end of the last fight, so the fact that it'd be like, oh, there's a stronger enemy.
She made a contract with Ghost, yeah.
Yeah.
Right? We do get a little bit of future sight here.
Yeah, so it's similar to Luffy. At least that's what it seems like.
Oh. Are we gonna need help here? I mean, this doesn't look like the cool ass death that the future devil was talking about.
Mm-mm.
Are we gonna end? Okay.
Wow.
At least we can saw Shark Boy and the other devils, It's fine.
I'm glad we finally got to see him. With the one episode left now.
Dude dives into walls, into things like
They're really
there's
gonna
a few
give
characters
Eve
I
the
could think of.
last ending to make me wait for the last one.
Exactly. What I think of when I see that is like Diver Down from JoJo's, but obviously there's other examples. I find it kind of funny how he turns his head into a shark.
Yeah.
Goes around and just biting people.
It's perfect.
I didn't expect to see SCP-049.
I've seen him before, so I knew he was a character. I didn't know he was the violence or whatever.
The violence devil, yeah. I didn't see who that was from. I think I missed it.
The ending?
Yeah.
Ziovachi.
Another artist I haven't heard of. I
don't know. It was fine.
It's okay. Yeah. I don't know. I've just been listening to Imer ZD over and over. So, I want to take a second and go back to confirm all the powers of the guys that they just introduced.
Yeah.
Right. He's
He
jumping
swims right
into
through it all.
walls. He's also Denji.
As I said, there's 3 types of characters.
The shark fiend. Okay, he's a fiend. He can swim inside any surface.
Yeah, I figured as much since his head is the only thing that transforms here.
Yeah, he can transform for brief periods of time.
But Angel and Spider are actually just full devils, it seems like.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
Violence.
he's also a fiend.
We're a mask that dispenses poison gas. I wonder why. Does he emit poison gas as well?
Why does she have the like stripe down her face? That's not very spider-like.
Is it maybe like a suit that she covers up her top half with? So that's like a zipper? I don't know.
I hate it, but also I love it.
I mean, it's quite intriguing to think about. Hopefully
don't
we'll see
like
why.
I hate everything about her. The way she looks, the way she moves, too many legs is bad. Go back to Fish Boy.
Humanoid devils tend to be friendly, but at the end of the day, they're still devils.
Oh, see Angel. He's pretty cute. I see why Kane likes him.
So he
Was it
doesn't
with
really do
anything
much. He
or
just
just
walks.
humans?
You want to keep your distance. Physical contact means your lifespan gets strained
So
away.
anyone. Okay.
I'm gonna assume with anything. Yeah.
Mhm.
Him
Not
or
just
her?
like it's fine.
I'm
Not afraid
not
of
really
it.
sure.
Angel Devil?
Yeah, they didn't say him or her
I'm
at
pretty
all.
sure it's a boy. Androgynous male, it says on Analyst.
Yeah, I was just gonna say that he looks non-specific enough to just be androgynous, which makes sense for an angel.
I dig
It's just too beautiful for a man
it.
to be a man.
I do like the little baby halo though.
But yeah, I'm super glad we finally got to see the others. I'm sure they're gonna spice up the show by quite a lot. We're gonna have to learn more about them as well. The 3 of them seem interesting. We need to see a bit more about Spider-Girl though, in my opinion. Like, is she gonna have a personality
I don't
or
need
is she
to
just
see
gonna
any
be
more
there?
of it. She can never come back and I'll be just fine.
She might have an unexpected nice side to her. You never know.
I do think it's interesting on Analyst. Fish Boy and Spider-Girl have a name. Violence Dude and Angel Boy both are just kind of what type of devil they are.
Even though one of them is a devil and the other's a fiend, right? Violence
Yeah,
is
because
only a
it
fiend.
says Boruko no Majin and Tenchi no Akama. Whereas for Fish Boy, his name's Beam, which I knew that already, obviously. And the Spider-Girl is Prince.
Maybe they haven't revealed it yet, if they do have their own name, because obviously the Spider Devil would just be called Spider Devil, no? But
Yeah, that's what I
apparently
figured.
she
That's
has a
why I was
name.
surprised that,
Yeah.
the 2 of them do, the other 2 don't. Because, like, all the other ones in here, Zombie no Akama, like, they're all just their whatever they are. Might be spoilers, I don't know. If it is, I didn't mean to.
The Future Devil ended up making a deal much easier than we had
Yeah, he's
anticipated.
like, I just want to stick around.
I mean, it's entertaining, right? I think it's for its benefit as well because the dude seems like a hype man. He likes to go to parties and stuff. But
no, he's
being
so
down
funny.
in the prison kind of is a bummer. You know,
Yeah.
there isn't really anything happening around him, so yeah,
So
I might as well
question,
go
though.
into this guy's eye.
In Aki's fight with Ghost, was he using the Future Devil's ability or was he not?
I felt like when the Future Devil spoke up, it was suggesting that he used his ability, but Aki didn't seem to be doing it.
Yeah, it didn't
Um,
seem like he was, but I couldn't. There was no indicator one way or
I
the
would
other.
think that they would have some sort of animation to indicate that
I
he's
would
activating
think
his
so.
power.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's what I would assume. But given context, it seemed like he was supposed to be, but maybe he wasn't. Maybe he just
He's
was like,
supposed
nah,
to be,
but didn't say anything.
I don't know. Without using it, he's just putting himself in a bad situation.
Well, I mean, that's why he went to the Future Devil to get it.
Maybe there's also this sense of hesitation when he's fighting
Maybe.
Ghost specifically.
I'll throw out a theory for this fight in particular. We saw Ghost choking him out at the end there. What if that
Yeah.
is the vision?
Oh yeah, that could be something. So that he knows
And then
not
next
to do
episode
this.
we'll rewind and have him not do that. Yeah.
That makes a lot of sense. A lot of anime do that, where you get like a false future.
I kind of
Yeah,
still
could
hope
be.
it works like Luffy's hockey because I feel like that's such an interesting way to do a fight, but it's also more complicated to both just demonstrate and animate.
Makima's power is Interesting. Because last time we saw the crows, she had to have the sacrifices and she had to do it on the highest temple, and she was able to do it with much gusto and force. I'm also assuming that maybe she had the names of these guys beforehand because she had connections with the Yakuza, who maybe gave her prior to this incident a list of names of people who had defected to the Gun Devil side or were working with the Gun Devil, had a contract with him, which is why she knew the names. That's just my guess. However, without these circumstances, she's still able to just kill people, like offhand, in a much
assuming
less
it's her that's
explosive
doing it,
way.
yeah.
It could be that it's a different devil.
It seems like the other would be excessive then if she could just kill them like this.
Yeah, that's true.
Because they made a point of it in the other episode that they're like, we need to go to the shrine. I need to get these prisoners or whatever so I can do whatever. It's like if that wasn't necessary, then that's a lot of dramatic flair for no reason.
I don't know. Maybe Makima is that kind of person. He just wants to shock the enemy into submission. Or, you know, she just likes the feeling of crushing people in her hands. The Yakuza guys actually did talk about the Gun Devil, like he is still alive, and that people are making contracts with him, and he just wants 20,000 yen for all those guns that they got. Which is weird, because that's super cheap, and why would a devil want money? Because all the devils we've seen before have taken body parts.
The one thing I'm struggling with the show is kind of atmosphere versus intentional storytelling, just in the environments. Like things like the crows. Are those intentional storytelling moments, or are they just atmosphere?
I would say that they're intentional because of the amount that they were
you
shown.
You would think that they are, but at the same time, they're not seeming to be with one episode left. Which maybe it's some big picture thing for later in the manga, but also
I think it's for later.
It seems like a lot of emphasis for something that's not going to give any payoff.
I'm just gonna stick to the fact that it has something to do with her powers, because that's just my first assumption rather than overthink it for now.
Well, and I'm just feeling like at this point, we've seen a lot of different pieces of her powers that don't fit together.
You know, it could also be that it's not even Makima who has that power.
I'd lean more in that direction, that it's not actually Makima doing that.
The only other thing I can think of is the utterance of the word necessary evil. I think that's going to have some sort of obviously theme to the plot here, where certain people, who I will not name, will be evil.
Well, that's always kind of that justification of doing the wrong thing, and you're like, but I'm doing it for the greater good, or I'm doing it because I need to save someone, or I think the irony in that statement is I don't think it's a necessary evil. I think Makima is just evil. And so she's sitting here laughing at him for his justifications of his evil deeds, being like, oh, that's so cute.
We'll have to see, of course. I do think that Makima's just not going to be evil for the sake of evil, like a villain like Dio. She's going to have whatever reason, because if she's just evil, that would be super boring. And I probably won't like her character anymore.
I've been trying to think of a character moment that they could give to justify her being an evil character, and I can't think of one. I'm curious if you have any ideas.
Anything of Makima. We've always seen her just be cold.
When you have a character who has that kind of motive, you usually see seedings of it. I can't think of anything.
Can't think of their names, but I'm pretty sure there have been characters where after their evil deeds have been done, then afterwards, we discover their reasoning behind doing such things. But, you know, it's just too late after that point.
Yeah, because usually it's not done very well. It can be done well, but usually it's not. I feel like her character would stand stronger as just evil for the sake of evil, but we'll see. We'll see what direction they take it.
Servi and I having differing opinions is basically a regular Tuesday.
I think both of us want her to be an interesting character. I think we just have
the very
different
least
ideas
that
of
we
what
can agree upon.
Take her. Yeah.
She does seem to be a very pivotal character within the story, obviously. And I just want her motives to be intriguing enough.
I think you can do evil for the sake of evil and have it be intriguing.
We're gonna stop here. But yeah, on that point, Dio is like one of the most popular villains of all time, and he's just petty for the sake of being petty. So Yeah, it can work.
And it doesn't have to be petty. It can be like grand plan, master evil.
Okay, yeah, we're gonna stop there. We're just gotta keep on going. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next week for next episode. Later, my dude.
For the finale. Bye bye.